example, to tackle with the Northeast insurgency, definitely we need to understand why they take weapon in there. The first thing is a very good morning, gentlemen. My today's lecture topic is the internal security challenges. So, friends, India from the past 75 years have been a victim of security challenges, whether it is internal or external. To fight with the external challenges, to fight with the external incursions, intrusions, we have the armed forces. They will tackle with them. They will fight with the enemy. But as far as internal security challenge is concerned, I think it is much more dangerous, because in the internal security challenge, we cannot take weapon to eliminate them. For example, there is Naxalism is there. And then of course, what is happening in Jammu and Kashmir? The youth, the youngster of Jammu and Kashmir take weapons in their hand. They get influenced by the external sources like Pakistan, and they do unnecessarily work to damage India. One more thing is there, the Northeast insurgency. There are several groups are there in Manipur, in Nagaland, in Meghalaya, in Assam. They continuously pose threat to us. Recently, we have seen what happened to the security forces. The colonel, he got martyred. So, I think to tackle with this, India need to eliminate the things which are encourage them to take weapons in their hand. For example, to tackle with the Northeast insurgency, definitely we need to understand why they take weapon in there. The first thing is there is no development in the Northeast. There is no connectivity to the Northeast. So if we will provide full connectivity to the rest of the India, to the Northeast, and if we provide employment, if we do infrastructural and developmental work, then I think the Northeast insurgency will be curbed. In the Jammu and Kashmir, I think obviously after the revocation of Article 370, lot of works have been done by the government, and that is why we have seen lot of youngsters, they joined Army, Air Force, Navy, they joined the civil services. So definitely the threat from the Jammu and Kashmir has become limited from as compared to the past. The Naxalism, definitely it is present in West Bengal, Odisha, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, in that area, in the village area where there is no development. So if we provide development to them, if we provide jobs, if we talk to them, and we will understand if we understand the problems, then we can talk about the solutions. So that is why I think the government need to work on that. And despite of taking weapon, despite of eliminate them, I think we need to eliminate the problem, and that is the only solution. Thank you very much, and Jai Hind.